Here's a pair of BERIBES headphones, model number WH202A. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV. First thing is, let's put these in the pairing mode. So the right ear cup here, you have three buttons. You have a multifunction button, which is basically a power/Bluetooth button. You have volume up or go to the next track, and volume down or go to the previous track. Okay, and of course over here you have a equalizer. You can change it to bass, pop, classical, and so on. Anyway, let's put these in the pairing mode first, okay? So these headphones are actually on. I see a little blinking blue light there indicating that it's connected to one of my phones or something. Let me just turn these off first. So the power button here, I'm gonna press and hold for like 4 or 5 seconds. It just said power off. Okay, now they're powered off. Now, let's turn it back on. Let's press and hold for like 2 or 3 seconds. Ready, go. Press and hold. Power on. Now wait. It said connected. Now, if you're not connected to another device, you should automatically be in a pairing mode. Pairing mode would be if the lights are blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay, I have a really slow blue blinking light because it's connected to a different device. So for myself, let me turn these off first. Power button, ready to go. Press and hold. Okay, so now it's powered off. Now for myself, because it's connected to a different device before, I'm gonna press and hold the power button and keep on holding until this starts blinking blue, red, okay? Power button here, ready, set, go. Keep holding. Power on, I'm still holding. Blue, red, it said pairing. Okay, now it's in pairing mode. Now let's quickly go back to the Samsung TV here and let's go to settings. Okay, you can click on the home button. And then what you want to do is navigate all the way to the left with the 3 horizontal lines. So go left, left. Now it changes to a gear icon right there. Settings. Click on OK on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down one to sound. We're going to click on OK. Now sound output is currently coming out of my TV, but we want it to come out of here. So we're going to click on sound output right there. Now we're going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. And now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode near me. Now these are still in the pairing mode. Oh, there it is right there. It just popped up. WH202A needs pairing. So we're going to go down, select that, pair and connect. Click on OK on the remote again. Let's wait. Okay, now it looks like we are connected. It says connected right there. So I'm connected here and I'm ready to go. Now, the thing is, if you guys had issues where you couldn't connect or you couldn't put it in the pairing mode or whatnot, you can always factory reset these, okay? If you need to reset these, look in the link below.